So today we're going to be brush hogging one of the back pastures here that's never been grazed since we've been here. And I'm going to be using my 1949 Farmall H and a mid-60s New Idea 452 brush hog. The brush hog is as I purchased it from the auction for $325. I greased the U-joints, unstuck the PTO shaft, and replaced the 80-90 that was in the gear case with some double-aught grease just to slow down the leak on this pump seal. The tractor was another auction purchase. I ended up buying another H that had a Schwartz wide front on it and some other parts that were nicer than this one, and kind of ended up making one good unit out of two tractors and sold the other one off. Kept the best tires, kept the weights, the air filter, just a lot of good stuff.